Hello again, YouTubers. Last week we've done the unboxing the plancha. This week I'll be unboxing the Monolith half grid. So exactly the same packaging as the last time. Nicely packed, safe for the transfer. And there it is. So let's just place it here. So this is the Monolith half grid, which again, I like the smoothness. I really like the quality. When we turn it the other way, we can actually see, oh, this will be beautiful for the stakes. So here is the close-up. You can see nice round edges. When I turn it upside down, from this side they are nice and flat. When it comes to the placing, you're either half grid or the plancha to the barbecue. Whatever setup you might have a different setup. This is the Pro Series. Just take it out and literally just replace it. Now you've got one next to each other, so you can do your vegetable or any other things. Here you can grill chicken, steaks. Turn it upside down to get a different grill mark, or turn the plancha upside down to get the beautiful broccoli or any other vegetable. So that's a half grid plancha and half grid grill grate.